Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set YouTube Shorts as an alarm. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is to download the Shorts. So here in the YouTube app, we will be needing just to go to any Shorts and simply we will need to download any Shorts in YouTube. So here, I'm just going to click on share and then I'm going to copy the link. Now, all we need to do is just to use any tool as a MP3 converter, and you will need just to go to the web app or your web browser, and you can choose anyone. Then you will need just to uh, type YouTube MP3 converter or here, and then we will need just to click on enter, and let's go back again, and just click on the first link that you find. And here you will need just to paste the shorts that we found or the link of the video. I'm just going to click on OK, and those are just some ads. And here we will wait for the video to be converted and the downloading process would start. And then we will be needing just to export this audio or this converted video as an alarm. And let's go back again and let's just remove that, and here it is being downloaded. So let's just wait for the download to be finished and then we can export it. And as you can see here, we have the file as downloaded. I'm just going to click on open. Now we have this audio, which is our video here, and basically you need just to click on share, and from here we'll find all our sharing stuff, etc. And let's go back to the files manager, and from here we will find our audio. And all we need to do is just to send it or to move it. And here we are just going to do like that and move selection. And you will need just to go to the alarms folder, and then you will need just to add the video or the audio, and you will have it as an alarm. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.